Good morning, everybody. Mike Vaki, Princetontrader.com, here for ntmarkets.com with your Thursday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, we're going to open in about 4 minutes, so I'm going to make this really fast. The bulls first tried to hold 92.5. Then they lost 92.5 yesterday. Those were the old highs from back in April. When they lost the old highs back in April, they tried all day yesterday, and they could never get them back. You see 92 right here, just on the tail end of this 5-minute chart. This is the last attempt. We chopped a little bit, tried to hold 89, couldn't do it. We sell off, we bounce a little bit. Now, in my subscriber webcast last night, I told my folks, we're in sell rallies mode. We're looking for a move up to the daily pivot area, which is your purple line, and you basically want to be selling these rallies. So we got the move up to daily pivot. And if you're up at 3 o'clock in the morning, that's a fantastic, that's a fantastic entry for you. I wasn't, so I had to catch a little bit from 84.5 down to 81.5. But the bottom line is this: we're making lower highs consistently in the Globex. I'm expecting a little bit of a pop right off of the open. If that pop can't clear daily pivot, if the bulls can't get back the daily pivot, certainly by lunchtime, it's going to lend itself to this, to this stair step down kind of action, and I would fully expect to test the middle band today down at 1875. The alternative is we just go ahead and we keep on going down from here. We go down to the middle band, and then it's decision time. Do the bears have more? Have they, or is 23 handles from the highs, is that enough, and we're going to get a decent bounce off of middle band? Or can the bears continue to push? 2013 wouldn't even be a question. We go down to middle band, buy them, bears are dead for 50 handles. 2014's been a little bit different. We haven't been able to hold any new high or maintain the old high after making the new high. We're trading back down in the 80s again. Okay? So where last year you gave the bears absolutely no benefit of the doubt, none. They didn't deserve any benefit of the doubt. At this point, you have to be a little skeptical of the bull case as well. And it opens up the door for the bears. And we've seen this happen now 3 or 4 times this year, which tells me that underneath the surface, you're seeing a little bit of a shift, an overall shift in market dynamics to where the bears are going to be able to get a little bit more done. All right. And if we jump just really quickly out on the daily chart, I want to finish this up so you guys can go trade. This was the last time we made the highs. We made the 92.5 highs. We came down to middle band and cracked it. Went all the way down to lower band, then failed, cracked it again. That was unprecedented action with respect to this uptrend. We've now ground back from that, made new highs, lost the new high. There's no reason to believe that we should not go back and test middle band. Last time we tested middle band, it held here. The 50 held here. So it'll be very interesting to see what happens with middle band. The bands are getting tighter and tighter, okay? When the bands get tighter, especially with the bulls missing their chance to do an upper band ride yesterday. They could have blown the bands higher yesterday. They missed that opportunity. With the bands getting tighter, tight bands mean we gravitate back to the middle band. So I feel very strongly about a trade back to the middle band at some point today. Okay, follow us on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Check out the website. Come check out the chat room. Come on in, trade this stuff with us. Lots of people are starting up. We're having a lot of fun in there. And, it's a great group of people. And, it's just great trading with them all day. And I'd like you to come and join us. So I will be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade them well, everybody.